morning, sir. Saan ka nag-spend na yung first night? Sa Golden. Ano ba yan? Mali pa. View from outside the hotel room. Mountains.
Your first day.
Okay lang. Hindi naman super pagod.
Morning!
Kita ba yung dalawa?
Oo naman. Morning!
Morning.
Sausage.
Andun tayo. First stop, Natural Beach. Pero, medyo maputi. Busy ang ating mga kasama. Mag-picture.
So we're now off to where?
Emerald Lake.
Emerald
For
Lake?
the second time around.
Second time?
Yep. Emerald Lake. We're at Emerald Lake. Ay, against the light. Sayang. Doesn't justify. Ang ganda ba sa video? Sino mo? Hindi, ang ganda ng kulay. Walking back to the parking lot. Kasi full. So, napakalayo ng lakad. Ay. Nandun pa kami sa dulo ng line. Saan tayo ngayon?
Yes, we're... Ito. Ayun na.
Takakaw Falls.
Takakaw.
Ganda ng view mo. Ganda. Okay, tapos na kami mag-picture sa may baba ng waterfalls. Heading back to the car. Are you still okay?
Hindi ba naman boses mo?
Oh, malapit eh. Are you still okay?
Yup.
Taban? Tired? Fatigue?
Sabi mo?
Fatigue. Taban. Tired. Banff na. Banff. Nasa free parking kaya malayang lakad.
Banff Town.
Kakain ng lunch at 3:30.
Who's phone?
Thank you so much.
Okay. This is for you.
Uy, may
What is the part of the fried rice?
just for the boys.
Okay. Thank you.
Bumibili kami ng gift kasi birthday ng aming dalawang kasama ngayon. Nahanap kami ng t-shirt. Okay, nahatid namin ang aming mga turista sa Banff Gondola. They'll be there until 8. So kami ay mag-check-in muna kasi late na. Kailangan namin maglapag ng mga gamit namin. How are you, driver? How's your lunch for today?
Patos na edsin, patulan.
How's your lunch for today?
Busog palagi.
So last time, nung nandito yung friend namin from the US, nagbook kami ay sa Dorothy Motel. This time, try tayo sa iba.
Malayo din, Bill.
Ano kami, book kami ng Randa Stone Lodge. Ano siya, good for 4 people. 2 bed, but split room. So we'll see later how it looks. Mag-check-in muna kami. Ito the Fox. Ito yata siya. Ay, hindi. Ano to? Banff Inn. And then, katabi pa? So, hindi pala siya sobrang lapit sa ano.
Baka lang tayo yung sa center muna. Hala, saan ang parking ng London Lodge?
First come, first serve daw.
Saan?
Baka sa loob, in property. Yung Dorothy sa likod, diba?
Hala.
Ayan na, Randallstone Lodge. Ito ang ating mayor. Dito nakapangalan ng reservation. Kasi siya ang may discount, company discount. Okay, done checking in. So we got the room key. They have indoor pool and hot tub, which is open from 8 in the morning until 10 p.m. And all guests have complimentary Rome Transit Pass. So, pwede na lang kaming mag-bus later para sunduin sila and go around the town para mag-picture.
Welcome!
Welcome to the hotel room. Ito po ang ating hotel room tour. So, over here, meron tayong safe. And then, nasaan ang ilaw nito? Ito, yan, malinaw. And then, ito ay banyo. Okay, we want all the lights opened. Shower! And then, one bed over here. And then, a divider. And then another bed here. And then we actually have a lounge area here. But the view over here sa window is nothing but another hotel. Okay. How are you feeling, sir?
I'm alright.
Hello, hello! We're back! So, actually, tapos na kaming mag-check-in at pabalik na ulit kami sa Banff Gondola para mag-pick up ng aming mga pasahero. And still, may araw pa at 8 p.m.
Sundo na namin sila. Gutom na sila. So, nandito kami ngayon sa Hanky. Dito kami magti-take out.
Ano gusto ko? Honey butter. Ano yung isa? Ano yung isa? Gusto ko yung cheddar cheese. Ano yung isa? Ano yan? What's that? Sabihan mo naman kami, ano yan? Grabe yun. Sobrang bigo na.
Ito? Spicy mayo.
Yo. Ayun, I don't like mayonnaise.
Cheddar cheese.
Plenty of it.